What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen here with another episode. It is pronounced Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is literally a savory, umami-packed pancake.
Mark, does Post Malone like Okonomiyaki or what, dude?
I don't know, dude. Maybe we should ask him.
Mark, what if I don't have all these ingredients that you require for this dish?
No worries, dude. All of these ingredients can be found at your local Asian grocery store. We said, we're not right there, all right. Let's make this. To get you started, you want to weigh out 152 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that up to homogenize everything. Get yourself some Dashi powder, about a tablespoon, into some boiling water. You're going to want to save about a cup of this for your okonomiyaki and the rest for poaching your shrimp for about 3 minutes. Whisk together 4 eggs, then add 1/2 of a cup of your dashi broth and mix this until it becomes a pancake batter-like texture. Then we're going to roughly chop 1/2 a head of some cabbage into quarter-sized pieces, salt it to get some of the moisture out, and slice up about 6 green onions and roughly chop about 2 tablespoons of pickled ginger and mix it into your wet ingredients. Add your shrimp and some tempura flakes and mix this until it is all incorporated. For the okonomiyaki sauce, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and mix that all together. Oil that pan and get it nice and ripping hot, and use a cup to put your batter right into the pan. Put some pork belly strips right on the bottom of that, and we're going to do the perfect flip every time. This way the pork belly will cook and crisp up, and then we're just going to lather that okonomiyaki sauce. Do not be shy. Some QP mayo drizzled over the top. I like a lot of mayo on this, and then just make it beautiful with a little knife, and put some Bonito Flakes right on top of that. They're going to be dancing around because of the heat. Make sure that you get some green onions on this, and you have yourself a perfect okonomiyaki. Dive right in, dude. First bite. This thing is an umami bomb right in your mouth. The shrimp, the okonomiyaki sauce, this is real not right there. Thanks everybody for tuning in to another episode of Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.